maginaw at gustong umulan, nandito kami sa Battery Park. Lumampas kami sa kung saan kami dapat bumaba. Well, anyway, it's a nice chance to see the place. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta dito. So ngayon nilalakad namin yung vessel. Puntahan natin yung vessel. Tingnan natin kung talagang maganda. So we're doing this walking tour dito sa Manhattan. Nagdi-DIY kami. Tingnan natin yung mga iba't ibang lugar dito sa Manhattan. It is very cold day at mamaya-maya baka umulan na. Maganda tong building na to. Oh. Maliit lang siya. This used to be a train building. Ayan o. Oh. Maganda siya, cute. Old building daw siya. So finally, nandito na kami sa Hudson. Ito, yung vessel. Ayan. Yung vessel. So, wow, maganda. Super ganda niya talaga. Dito tayo, Dad. Ayan, ang ganda niya talaga. May bayad para umakyat. Pero I don't think we need to go up. Kasi super ginaw. So okay na kami dito sa baba. Picture na lang kami dito. Oh, ang ganda niya talaga. Super ganda. Parang hagdanan siya. Multi-tiered na hagdanan. Going up. Dito binibili yung ticket to go up the vessel. Christmas na Christmas ang dating. Dahil medyo maaga pa, wala pa masyadong tao dito sa may paligid ng vessel. May mangilan-ngilan na umakyat sa taas. Pero I think karamihan, kagaya na din namin, nakontento na lang sa pag-take ng picture dito sa may baba. So, talagang ang magandang puntahan itong vessel. It's worth a visit pag nasa New York. So this is the vessel. Ang ganda niyang tignan. From afar, parang pangit. Pag sa malapitan na, maganda na siya. Yeah, parang ano siya, yung copper. Yung kulay niya, copper. Ito yung pwedeng makita dito. Super ganda. May bayad. Hindi ko alam kung magkano bayad. Pero, yung ibang area, may net. It's covered kasi may mga ilan daw na nagpakamatay dito. Tumalon galing sa taas. Doon siguro sa mataas. So tumalon, may mga ilan na tumalon dito. Kaya nilagyan nila ng net yung ibang mga areas para maiwasan yung mga suicidals. Ito yung mall sa harap ng vessel. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nitong mall, but I think it's Hudson.
The shops.
The shops. Oh. But it says there, Hudson Yards. So maybe Hudson Yards Mall.
No, it's the shops.
Oh, it's the shops. Okay. Tingnan natin ang loob niya. Wow, ang bigat ng pintuan. Oh, super ganda. Andun yung balloon, hot air balloon. Wow, talagang Christmas sa Christmas. Ang feel.
Restaurants, level 4, 5.
So since tanghali na, we're going to look for somewhere to eat. Okay, so nandito kami sa loob ng Hudson Yards na shopping mall. At hinahanap namin yung washroom muna kasi sobrang ginaw sa labas. Maganda to. Pati escalator puno ng ilaw. Doon daw yung restroom dito. Oh, ganda. Oh, grabe, sa dami ng ilaw. Super ganda talaga niya.
Oh, Uniqlo. Uniqlo.
Taiwan #1 Zing Putang. This is how the bowls for the tea that they make are made. Where Baba is warm. Is it showering now? We're leaving the vessel. Nagandahan kayo sa vessel?
Yeah.
Super ganda. Wow, sa ganda. Pwedeng pasyalan pag nandito sa New York. Lalo na kung December, winter time. We just want to ask, we're going to St. Patrick's Cathedral, so we have to go all the way down?
What street is that on?
I think it's, I'm not so sure, but it's after the Bryant Park. It's
Okay,
it's
yeah.
near the Rockefeller Center.
Yeah, all the way north. But you have to be a little bit more like the center.
Yeah, go.
We're all the way at the west side.
Okay, turn.
Yeah, so turn
Right.
on like
I think it's on the 5th Avenue,
Yes,
but
yes,
I'm not
yes.
so sure about the street
so
number.
this corner right here will be 10. So you'd have to go 5 blocks up that way to be on 5th Avenue.
Uh-huh.
Other than that, it's straight north.
Okay. So we can get here, turn here.
Yes, you could turn here
To get to
Fifth
the
Ave, and then make
the
a
Macy's
left.
is here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So Macy's is here. We can go here. At kikabar turn na kita. Reach. We'll hit the 5th Avenue kasi it's the 10th Avenue.
Okay, kita.
Yeah. Right.